Thinking about switching to an electric boiler? Welcome to the Boilers2Go Ultimate Installation Guide. Today we're covering everything you need to know. Electric boilers are quiet, versatile, and perfect for flats. They're nearly 100% efficient, converting all electricity directly into usable heat for your home. For the technicals, your boiler must be wired into a dedicated circuit by a registered electrician to comply with UK building regulations. Safety is paramount. While smaller flats run on single-phase, larger homes often require a three-phase electrical supply. Always check your property's capacity before starting the installation. The good news? Installation is fast. Most systems are fitted in just one day, seamlessly integrating with your existing radiators or underfloor heating. A professional installation typically costs between £2,000 and £5,500. Remember, an annual service is still vital for peak performance. At Boilers2Go, we make home heating simple. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe now for more expert advice on keeping your home warm and efficient.